Good morning students. Today we will conduct an activity of class 6 science chapter 13 fun with magnets. In this activity we will show the attraction and repulsion between bar magnet. For this activity we need wooden stand, 2 bar magnets and a thread. Students, as we know that each magnet has 2 poles, north pole and south pole. In this activity, first we will see what happens when 2 poles of different magnets are brought near each other. First we will see what happens when opposite poles are brought near to each other. First of all, we suspend 1 bar magnet from the wooden stand with the help of the thread. Then we let the bar magnet come to rest. Now we will see what happens. When south pole of one magnet is brought near to the north pole of the other magnet. We will bring the north pole of the other magnet towards the south pole of the suspended magnet. So let us see what happens. We will bring the opposite poles near each other. Let us see what happens. As we can see that south pole of the suspended magnet is attracted towards the north pole of the other magnet. Now let us see what happens if we bring the south pole of the other magnet to the north pole of the suspended magnet. We will bring the opposite poles near each other again. Now let us see what happens. This time I am bringing the south pole of the other magnet towards the north pole of the suspended magnet. Let us see what happens. As we can see that the opposite poles are attracted towards each other. So we can say that unlike poles attract each other. Now let us see what happens if we bring the like poles near each other. This time I will bring the south pole of the other magnet towards the south pole of the suspended magnet. Let us see what happens if we bring the like poles near each other. As we can see that the south pole of the suspended magnet is repelled by the south pole. So we can say that like poles repel each other. So with the help of this activity we can conclude that like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other.